Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Currency Universe English. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the world's most powerful currency, and you guessed it right, it is the Kuwaiti Dinar. The Kuwaiti Dinar is the world's most valuable currency. So I've got the entire set with me right now. So let's check out these notes one by one. So starting off with the smallest one, this is the 1/4 Dinar Note Kuwaiti, and this is one I have the half Dinar Kuwaiti note, and these all I can see here, these are the 1 Kuwaiti Dinar notes. I have got a lot of them, and then here we can see the Kuwaiti 5 Dinar note, and then here is the Kuwaiti 10 Dinar note, and this is the Kuwaiti 20 Dinar note. So this is the complete collection of the Kuwaiti Dinar notes. So this is the smallest note of Kuwait, which is the 1/4 Dinar note, and these notes are issued by the Central Bank of Kuwait. And as you can see here, these notes all are paper based notes, and on one side it's written in English everything, and on the other side everything is written in Arabic. Actually the need for this 1/4 dinar note came because the Kuwaiti dinar is so strong that they have to reduce the denomination, but in reality the Kuwaiti dinar is just virtually, you can say, strong, because 1 Kuwaiti dinar is equal to 1000 fils. 1000 fils means, like, you can say is the subdivision. Like, say for example, the United States dollar is subdivided into 100 cents, the Indian rupee is subdivided into 100 paisa. Had the Kuwaiti dinar been divided into 100 fils, then the value of the Kuwaiti dinar would have reduced by 10 times, you can say. So at present 1 Kuwaiti dinar is worth a very big fat amount. So 1 Kuwaiti dinar, if we compare it with the United States dollar, it's worth around 3.29 United States dollar. So that's a hell a lot of money for just 1 Kuwaiti dinar. So as on 2022, for a long period of time, the Kuwaiti dinar is the strongest circulating currency in the world, and 1 Kuwaiti dinar is equal to almost 3.32 United States dollars, and it is just in front of the Bahraini dinar and the Omani rial, which are the second and third strongest currencies of the world respectively. And I'll be showing you those notes also in another video. So today's video will just focus on the world's most powerful currency, which is the Kuwaiti dinar. Actually, the dinar was introduced in 1960 to replace the Gulf rupee, which was equal to the Indian rupee during that time. And when Iraq invaded Kuwait in around 1990, the Iraqi dinar replaced the Kuwaiti dinar as the currency of Kuwait. And so there was a lot of confusions, and then again later on the Kuwaiti dinar again established itself as the sole currency of Kuwait. So the banknotes, as I've already said, they have been divided into half dinar note, 1/4 dinar note, 1 dinar, 5 dinar, 10 dinar, and the 20 dinar note. And the coins of Kuwait are the 5 fil, 10 fil, 20 fil, 50 fil, and 100 fil coins. So this is the 1/4 Kuwaiti dinar. It looks something like this. This is one side in which everything is written in English, as you can see here, and on the back side you can see everything is written in Arabic, and again the serial number and denomination is written in English. So this is the half dinar note, and it looks something like this. The green is more prominent here, and this is one side in which English is written, and on the other side you can see here it's written in Arabic. So this is a green color note, and quite a beautiful note is one. And the next note of Kuwait is the 1 dinar. So I've got around 6 to 7 pieces of this Kuwaiti 1 dinar note with me right now. So this is one side in which English is written, and this is the other side in which Arabic is written of the dinar. So again I'm saying the value of this Kuwaiti dinar note. The Kuwaiti dinar note's value is approximately 3.29 United States dollar if you compare it to the US dollar. And if you compare it to the Indian rupee, at present as on February 2022, it's worth around 252 Indian rupee. If you compare it to the Pakistani rupee, 1 Kuwaiti dinar is equal to around 590 Pakistani rupee. And if we compare this dinar to the Bangladeshi taka, it's worth around 285 Bangladeshi taka. The next note which I have with me is the 5 dinar note. So this is the 5 dinar note, and it looks something like this one. So this is a purple color note, and again you can see on one side this is written in English, and it's depicting an oil tanker, I believe, and a refinery, because Kuwait's economy is dependent on oil, as you are well aware of it. It is one of the major oil producing nations in the world. And this is the back side of the note, where you can see everything is written in Arabic here. The Kuwaiti dinar is a very stable currency because its value is pegged to the US dollar and a basket of other currencies. So the value does not fluctuate much. It value fluctuates very less. It's quite negligible, and that's one of the reasons why the Kuwaiti dinar is very strong, because it has got a lot of dollars in its central bank, and it can manipulate the currency little by little so that the currency remains stable almost most of the time. So this Kuwaiti dinar, as you can see here, is a very stable currency. So after this 5 dinar note, we have here the 10 Kuwaiti dinar note. So this is the 10 Kuwaiti dinar note. This is a very valuable note again, as you can see here. This is worth more than 30 US dollars, and this is worth more than 2500 Indian rupee. Okay, so this side, as you can see here, this front side, it's depicting a falcon and this camel, and this is written in English in this side, and on the other side we can see here it's written in Arabic here, and here is some sort of hologram type of thing for the security features. You can see here the rod moves like this. So this is the 10 dinar note, and next we have the 20 dinar note. This is the 20 dinar note, and this is the biggest note of Kuwait, and above that there is no note, because this note is itself is very valuable, and this note's worth is more than 60 United States dollars, and if you compare it to the Indian rupee, it's worth more than 5,000 Indian rupee. Just in the English written side, it's depicting a dhow cruise ship, and also you can see here some natives which are collecting the pearls, and this is the back side of the note, where again everything is written in Arabic, and then how is depicted here. So these are all the Kuwaiti dinar notes which I have with me right now. So let's check out some of the security features of this note. First, I'll check it under the backdrop of a tube light, and then I'll be seeing it against the backdrop of a UV light. So let's check out what features you can find. So first of all, the 1/4 dinar note, and you can see on the right hand side a falcon is being shown here. If you check out the half dinar note, again the same watermark is visible here, the falcon, and on the middle a security strip is being shown here. The Kuwaiti dinar 1 dinar note is also the same, a falcon and a security strip, and then the 5 dinar again is the same, the falcon and the security strip is shown here. And this is the 10 dinar note, again the falcon and the 10 numeral, and on the left side the security strip is being shown here. The 20 is also depicting the falcon, the 20 numeral, and the security strip. So now after checking this under the tube light, let's check out these notes under UV light, what features we can get. So this is the 1/4 dinar note. As you can see here, a fluorescent strap is being shown here, and this is also glowing here. And let's check out the back side of the note. If you check out the back side of the note, you can see a pattern here which is glowing under UV light, and here is also pattern and some still little bit security strips. The half dinar note seems to be more colorful because the note serial number and the pattern is shown here, and this is the emblem, and all sorts of security strips all across the note is glowing here. And on the other side we can see, if we do it, you can see that again some pattern here and small security strips all across the note. So this will be looking very colorful. The Kuwaiti 1 dinar note looks something like this under UV light. The one is shown here like this. This is glowing security number, and the all security strips are glowing here. And if we check out the back side of the note, you can see here again the pattern is glowing here, and small security strips all across the note. Coming on to the 5 dinar note, again the same small security strips, and this 5 is glowing here, again the emblem and the note serial number is glowing here. If you check out the other side, you can see here again, here we can see the pattern is glowing, and small security strips all across the note is glowing here. The 10 dinar note is also a very colorful one. The note serial number, again the pattern and 10 written here, the pattern all across the note, small security strips is shown here. And if you check out the other side also, I believe again the same small security strips, and the pattern here is glowing here. Coming on to the last note, the 20 dinar note, again the same thing, the note serial number, the 20 is glowing here, the emblem and small security strips all across the note. And on the other side we can see small security strips and the emblem here which is glowing very colorfully under the influence of UV light. So guys, that was all about the most powerful currency of the world, which is the Kuwaiti dinar. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel would be very much appreciated. So I'll be back with a new video very soon. Until next time, do take care of yourself, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.